potatoes au gratin. So I just diced up a whole bunch of russet potatoes, and I actually did not even peel them. I left the peel on, but I scrubbed them really clean and cut them into a small dice. And now I'm gonna make the milk/cream mixture, which is a cup of milk and 3 cups of cream. Bunch of salt, because that is a bunch of potatoes, and pepper. And then what you need to kind of make the sauce thicken while it bakes is flour. So I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of flour. So then just whisk it. Okay, that's all whisked together. So I'll bring the dish up, and then all of this gets poured over. Now this bakes for 2 stages. So for the first stage, it's just the creamy mixture, and then in the second stage, I'll add all the cheese on top, okay? Cover with foil. All right, we're gonna put this into the oven. It's gonna bake for the first stage at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. I got the potatoes out of the oven temporarily, and I'm just gonna take the foil off, and I'm gonna mix this enormous mountain of cheese that you see. This is a mixture of fontina cheese and white cheddar cheese and, oh, and like white processed cheese. So this goes back into the 400-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until that cheese is totally melted and bubbly and very brown. Alex, look.
Wow.
Look at all that cheese.